So today I'm going to go ahead and start off my look using my Tarte Shape Tape as an eye base. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my mini beauty blender. After that's all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set the lid with a cream colored eyeshadow, anyone will do. For my eyes, I'm taking my Modern Renaissance palette and a MAC 224. I went into the shade Love Ladder and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my crease. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade Raw Sienna on a MAC 217 and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in a little bit lower just so I won't cover most of that love letter. The next shade I'm going to go into is Cypress Umber and I'm going to go ahead and place that in my outer corner, then I'm going to go ahead and blend that right on into the crease as well. To blend everything out, I'm using my MAC 224 brush with no additional product. For the lid, I'm going to go ahead and cut it with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a small detailing brush. And I'm slowly carving the shape that I want. The first shade that I'm going on, that I'm taking out to my lid, is Primavera, and then I went ahead and spritz some Fix Plus on there just to intensify the color a little bit. Next, I'm taking the shade Vermeer and I'm just going to place that one in the inner eyelid, right on top of the Primavera. Then I'm going to go back in with Cypress Umber on the MAC 217 and I'm just going to pack that into the outer corner. And I'm going to take my MAC 224 and I'm going to blend everything out so that I have no harsh edges. For liner today, I'm taking my MAC Dip Brown, I think that's what it's called, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lid. I'm not going to do a wing today because I'm going to go ahead and connect the outer corner with the liner and smudge it all out. So I'm going in with a small detailing brush. This one is by Morphe, I can't remember the name. And then I'm blending everything out again with my MAC 224. And I'm going back in with the Cypress Umber on a flat liner brush. And I'm just blending everything out. And intensifying that color until I get the desired look that I want. So I'm just packing and blending and packing and blending. I went ahead and put lashes on off camera. For the face, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Step 1. This is a smoothing primer. And then for foundation, I'm taking my Makeup Forever HD and my MAC Face and Body. And I'm just patting that all into the skin. Or pressing it into the skin. For concealer, of course, I'm going back in with the Shape Tape and I'm just blending it out with the doe foot applicator and then blending it out some more with the little mini beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, and this one is in the shade Medium Plus. For bronzer today, I'm going to take my Hula Bronzer by Benefit. And just to brighten up my under eyes a little bit more, I'm going in with the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm taking the shade Banana, and I'm just going to place that right underneath my eyes. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead and also on my chin. And on down my nose, except I didn't show that. For the blush, I'm going in with this old one by MAC, and this is the Prom Princess from the Archie collection. And then I just dab it a little bit with my brush because it's very pigmented. Next, from that same collection, I'm taking Flatter Me, and I'm just going to brighten up my cheeks a little bit just to highlight. And this one just gives you a little subtle glow. But of course, I wanted to be a little extra, so I'm taking my Dose of Colors Desi x Katie collection, and this one is in the shade Mírame. For the under eyes, I'm using my MAC, I think it's an NC20, NC30 eyeliner. And then underneath my eyes, I'm just going in with Raw Sienna and Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette. Of course, I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for my lashes. Today for lip liner, I'm taking NYX's Peekaboo Neutral, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And the lip color I'm using today is Warm and Fuzzy by Dose of Colors, and this one is from the Snuggle Israel Holiday Collection. And that completes my look. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you!